Okay, so this is really just to help demonstrate the effect that stride footwear can have on our foot position and our overall posture. Now I want you just to have a look at Holly's feet down here. Now like many of us, her feet have a tendency to ever so slightly roll in or pronate. And it doesn't just stop there, it's a little bit like a chain reaction. It has an effect on everything further up. If we look at her knees, they ever so slightly internally rotate, and then if I get Holly to stand side on, the effect that has on her hips is you get a slight pelvic tilt, which we can see here. And like I said, it's the feet start to roll in, and then that can have an effect further up. Now it's not necessarily a bad thing, it affects all of us differently, so this may cause problems with some people, or it may not. So when we put Holly in a pair of stride footwear sandals, we can have a look at what difference that makes to her foot posture and the overall posture as she stands. Okay, the other thing I'm going to show you, and you can try this at home and you can do it walking up and down. I'm going to get Holly just to stand up and down on the spot here. Now when we walk, a lot of the times we're on hard floors, we're on laminate flooring, we're on pavements, and with every step she takes I can feel that jarring coming up all the way through her body. Now that's going to affect every joint from her foot, from her ankle, all the way up to her neck here. We're going to put a pair of stride footwear on now, and we're going to have a look at the difference of how those footwear hold her foot, how it holds her posture, and also the effect that it has on that jarring as well. Okay, so now we've got Holly in our stride footwear. So that biomechanical footbed which is in there is just supporting her foot, holding it in a better position, and we can see the effect that that's got, not just on her feet, but also the alignment of her knees, and into her lower back and just her general posture as well. So like I said, it does affect everybody differently, but this does hold you in a better position than an unsupportive shoe or bare foot. Now I'm just going to get her standing up and down on the spot again, and because of the thicker sole and the added shock absorption that's in that sandal, there's a lot less jarring coming up through there. And like I said, you can try that at home with your own pair of stride, walking on hard floors and concrete.